Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to create YouTube videos from scratch using ChatGPT plugins. Alright, so as you can see, this is the video output we have received. So this is a very simple video, but because this is just for demonstration purposes, so as you can see, we have written a full script with this ChatGPT plugin, and with that script the plugin has also come up with a full video using stock video footages. So how to do this? You have to use the 𝐻𝐻 ChatGPT plugin, and this is a plugin that you can use to create a full YouTube video with just a simple ChatGPT prompt. So if you don't know how to use this plugin, of course you have to be a ChatGPT Plus subscriber. You also have to enable the ChatGPT plugin features in your account. If you don't know how to do this, I have tutorials on my YouTube channel, and then you have to click on New Chat, select GPT-4, and make sure that the plugin is installed and enabled in your ChatGPT account. I also have a full tutorial on this 𝐻𝐻 ChatGPT plugin, so if you are interested in more details and some example prompts, you can use the 𝐻𝐻 ChatGPT plugin to create full YouTube videos. You can check out this article. I will link it in the description below. And you can also get access to a complete database of all currently available ChatGPT plugins that can be installed from the ChatGPT plugin store. You can search this plugin database by category, plugin name, description, and get quick access to ChatGPT plugin video tutorials, the best use cases and prompts for all available ChatGPT plugins. The database can be downloaded for free, but you can also support the maintenance and the frequent updates of the database with a small donation. Any support is appreciated. You can get access to this database by using the link in the description below. But now let's see how to use the 𝐻𝐻 ChatGPT plugin to create a full YouTube video with a simple prompt. So to demonstrate the power of this 𝐻𝐻 ChatGPT plugin to create YouTube videos, we're going to use a very simple prompt, and this is the prompt that I have come up with. So produce a humorous video about the daily life of a software engineer. And all you have to do is add this prompt, make sure that GPT-4 is selected and plugins are selected and the plugin is enabled. Then click on send message here. So as you can see, you don't have to use any fancy language or code. If the 𝐻𝐻 ChatGPT plugin is activated, ChatGPT is clever enough to know that it has to use and activate the 𝐻𝐻 ChatGPT plugin, and this is what it has done, and sent a request to the 𝐻𝐻 plugin. So based on this simple prompt, it has created a video idea, a video tone, a video type, and video pace parameters. It also added a description. Of course, if you don't like this input, you can also fine-tune these inputs and add these variables in a ChatGPT prompt and be more detailed if you want to do that. You can also add a full script if you want to do that. And based on this input, the plugin has created a full video. And as we can read here, the video has been created. Here are the details, the title, the description, tags, and the video link has been also created, and we can click here to view this video. And if we open up this link, we're gonna be able to check out the video that the 𝐻𝐻 ChatGPT plugin has created for us. So this is the video I have shown you. I don't want to show the complete video because it's 1 minute long and it's not that interesting because this is just an example. So as you can see, it has found some really relevant stock videos based on our script. And if you want to edit this video, add voiceover to it, or change some stock videos, you can also click on save to edit and remove the 𝐻𝐻 watermark as well, and edit the videos in a way you want to edit the video, and then download the video and upload it to your YouTube channel. So in all, this is how to use the 𝐻𝐻 ChatGPT plugin to create a full YouTube video from scratch. And if you want to learn more about other ChatGPT plugins, I have a ton of YouTube tutorials on my YouTube channel, not just on this 𝐻𝐻 ChatGPT plugin, but for other use cases as well. So marketing, business, finance, crypto, and more. And more ChatGPT plugin tutorials are coming up, so make sure to subscribe. And also, if you want to get access to the complete ChatGPT plugin database that includes categories, searchable descriptions, and more, you can also find the link to that in the video description below.